Welcome back to another video. Today we have another email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got Harbor Freight quality lowest prices. Got new items clearance, get coupons inside Track Club. So new hot buys now through Thursday 9/24. Check back every week for new deals. So we're basically gonna be, every time we get one of these emails, we're gonna let you know what's going on with the deals, with the sales. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. We got the 4-inch magnetic parts holder, 99 cents. I mean, it's a decent tool. I know some of them do fall apart from the past. All it takes is some glue and stick them back together. But if you don't want to struggle with that, go with the better brands. They do sell, I believe, the U.S. General brand. It's better. It's a lot better than this. But if you don't want to spend $1 on a couple of these, it's only $1, so it's very cheap. So you got that, and then you got the 3,100 psi, 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.5 horsepower. This is anything with the Predator engine. It's going to be a solid machine. Pressure washers, generators, all kinds of stuff, augers, all kinds of stuff. They're all great. These are pretty much just copies of name brand engines, so they're going to perform just as well as a name brand, basically. So I would definitely recommend any of these engines, any of these brands, or not brands, any of these engines that are Predator. They're all solid, great tools. All the plastics work great. From my experience with the generators, they're very solid. They'll take the load. They do what they're supposed to, and they'll last a long time too. So you got 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV wall mounts. This is a piece of metal. It's pretty solid. It does have 5 stars, over 3,500 reviews on this. 5 stars, under $10. So you get the point there. You're getting a lot for $10 here. Up to a 42-inch TV, even for the patio. If you don't want to risk a real expensive TV with this thing, I know it'll hold it. It'll definitely hold it. But if you want to just throw a cheap $100 TV in there, or $80 TV, whatever, it's fine. For $10, I mean, that's great. You got an 18-inch working platform steps tool, just under $20. Definitely recommend it. It does have over 5,000 reviews, 5 stars. It's just a piece of metal that'll hold off. So same thing with these. These are great, guys. These Warrior guns. I used to have the Drill Master, the cheaper brand than this, and it used to heat up really well. I'm guessing this one's probably even better. So under $10, it's basically a cheap tool that you can use around the house, basically. You got the air compressor starter kit, 20 piece. Me personally, I haven't used this. I heard bad things about the central pneumatic. The connectors here, that I don't know if I haven't used them. There's mixed reviews on them. Who knows? They might have gotten better, but I usually go with the other brand. I forgot what it's called, but they do have a better brand other than Central Pneumatic. I forgot what the name is, but yeah, it's a blue packaging, and it's a little better quality than this. So you got plus exclusive bonus super coupons. You got Cover Pro, 10 by 17 feet portable garage. You got a Predator 2500 watts. Like I said, all the Predators are pretty solid. This was a 2500 pressure psi, 2.4 gallons per minute. Like I said, very solid motors there. You got Chicago Electric 7 amp corded 1/2 inch impact wrench. Then again, this is for the DIY. This is just corded. It'll take lug nuts off. It'll work just fine. For $30, if you don't want to buy into a battery platform or anything, they just want to plug it in and get it over with. There you go. You got the Greenwood trigger, guys. This is okay, but you know, guys, I live in the hot area and I leave my guns in the sun. This one did crack from here, from this part, because I leave my guns with this extended on the back, so it's always having pressure on this. And being outside in the sun, it cracked. It's up to you. I seen other people that have good luck with these, but then again, they don't leave them outside in the sun. It's just mixed reviews. I don't know. It's up to you if you want to get it or not. Got the Quantum 65 lumens pocket flashlight, $4.99. Anything that's a Quantum, it's a solid light. There's a lot of good cheap lights you guys could get. There's even rechargeable lights. Braun, definitely recommend the Braun. Quantum, everything's great. $4.99 is a solid deal there. Same thing with this Pittsburgh Wrenches combination for $6. I mean, it's pretty much a freebie here for $6. You can just have it in the truck and lend it away. If you have to lend it, don't lend away your expensive tools, but you can lend these away, or one or two if somebody needs it on the road there. You got bonus coupons I just added. I just did a video on that. Right here, you go to videos. I believe, where is it at? Right here. So just added coupon book. The new coupons from the coupon book. I just added about a week ago. We did shop at Lowe's here. If you guys want to look at the outdoor section, this is the regular tool section where hand tools and power tools in our channel. We got the new tools from Harbor Freight if you guys want to look at that video. And then we got some tool reviews here from Amazon. $14 pressure washer gun there. We're just about hitting 5,000 subscribers. I just want to thank everybody that's supported the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools and make more tool review videos. Alright, just want to let you guys know. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.